Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are good at your places. I'm Kanchan Kanpal, your maths teacher. Today we are going to start that is chapter number 8, tens and ones.
Chapter number 8, Tens and Ones. Help me, uncle, I want to buy pencils for 18 rupees. I have just 10 rupees notes and 1 rupee coin. How many notes and coins should I give you? Now, this girl, she want to buy pencils for 18 rupees. उसे 18 rupees की पेंसिल खरीदनी है. I have just 10 rupees. उसके बाद 10 rupee नोट प्लस 1 rupee है. So, how many notes and coins should I give you? तो उसको कितने rupees देने हैं? 18 rupees means 1 note of 10 rupees and 8 1 rupees coin means 1 she need 1 10 rupee note and 1 8 rupees coin. एक 1 rupees के 8 coin चाहिए उसे and 10 rupees का 1 note. How many notes and coins do I need to give 35 rupees? अब 35 rupees के लिए कितने notes and coins चाहिए उसे? You gave me 3 10 rupees notes and 5 coins of 1 rupee. Now for this she need 10 rupees 10 notes. 1, 2, 3. 10 rupees के उसे 10 notes चाहिए. 10 rupees notes. Okay. This is 10 rupees notes. And how many coins? She need 35. 30 and 1 rupees coin. How many? 5. 5 1 rupees coins she need. 5. So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. This is 1 rupee coin. ये कितने के हैं? 1 rupees के coin है. So 30 plus 5, 35. So 3 notes of 10 and 5 rupee coin. Okay, uncle. Hey, just tell me, how many pencils do you want? Now the shopkeeper is irritated and asking, how many pencils you want? None. Thank you, uncle, for helping with my homework. Now she is saying that thank you, uncle, for helping my homework. She is just befooling the shopkeeper. She don't want to buy. She just have to complete her homework. That is why she is asking all these questions to the shopkeeper. Okay. Can you do this without uncle's help? क्या आप इस क्वेश्चन को without uncle की help की कर सकते हैं? Draw the 10 rupees notes and 1 rupee coins you will give for these things. Now this stuff is of 20 rupees and so what you have to do, you have to use 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coin to make it 20. 20 के लिए आपको कितने coins और कितने notes चाहिए 20 rupees बनाने के लिए? So here we can take 10 rupee. यहाँ पे 10 rupees के 2 note will be enough because 10 plus 10 20. So यहाँ पे हम 20 बनाने के लिए 10 के 2 notes ले लेंगे. That will be enough. That will make 20 rupees. 10 plus 10 20. Now this is 32. This bag is 32. So how many 10 rupee note or 1 rupee coin we need to make 32 rupees. 32 rupees बनाने के लिए हमें 10 के कितने notes चाहिए and 1 के कितने coins चाहिए. So we will see. This is 10 rupees note. This is also 10 rupees note. And this is also 10 rupees note. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 10 30. 30. Now how many coins we need? 1 rupees के कितने coin के चाहिए हमें? 1 2 coins. If you will see it properly, in ones place, this is ones, this is tens. In one place, what is written? 2 is written. So how many 1 rupee coin we need? 2 coins. Okay, and यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? 3. 3 means ये 10th place पे है तो means 30. So 30 के लिए 10 plus 10 plus 10 30. Okay, 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Next is this color box is of 55 rupees. ये color box कितने का है? 55 का है. So how many 10 rupee notes we want to make it 55? 55 बनाने के लिए हमें कितने 10 rupees के notes चाहिए? So we will see here 1, 2, 5 is written. So we will take 5 in 10th place. 5 is written ना, तो हम 5 10 10 के notes बनाएंगे. Simply you can make a square. Simply you can make a rectangle. Then you will add. आप इस पे 10 10 rupees लिख दीजिए. 10 plus 10 20, then 30, then 40, then 50. कितना हो गया ये? 50. 50. अब हमें what we need 55. We have to make 55 rupees. तो 55 के लिए 50 is done. Now 1 rupees we will take 5 1 rupees coin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So now we need 10 rupees. How many notes? 5 10 rupees note and 5 1 rupee coin. Okay, 55. देखिए आप, हमें ये भी 5 चाहिए और ये भी 5 चाहिए, because in one place it is written 5. That is why we are taking 5 coins of 1 rupee. और यहाँ पे देखिए this is written 5. So that is why 10 rupee note also we are taking 5. Okay. Here 3 is written in 10th place, so we are taking 3 notes. How many times? 3 times. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 10th के प्लेस पे 3 लिखा है, इसलिए हमने 10 के 3 नोट लिए हैं. एंड 1s के प्लेस पे 2 लिखा है, दैट इज वाई वी हैव टेकन 2 coins of 1 rupee. Okay. So next question. How much money do the notes and coin make? Now you have to calculate कि इनको कलेक्ट करके कितने मनी बनेगी. So 10 plus 10 is 20, 20, 21, 22, 23. So the answer will be 23. Next is, here only 1 rupee coins are there, so you have to count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 rupee 10 coins make 10 rupees. Okay, 1 rupees के 10 coins अगर आप लेंगे तो कितना बनेगा? 10 rupees. Same, 10 plus 10 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. Then 20, 30, 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Answer is 45. Now this is practice time. I will say a number. Guess the breakup. So breakup, what is breakup? If our number is 55, now you have to break this number. So the number which I have given you is 55. अब आप इसको कैसे break करेंगे? Now you have to break it in tens and ones. Okay, आप tens और ones में इसको break करेंगे. This is, as I told you in my previous videos, place value. There you must there I told you ones and tens. So this is ones, this is tens. तो ones single number होता है तो we will write as it is. और जब आप 10 लिखते हैं तो उसमें 2 डिजिट होती है, 1 0 2 होती है. सो ये 50. सो इन टेंस प्लेस यू विल राइट 50, क्योंकि 5 के पीछे 1 डिजिट है इसलिए हमने 1 0 लगाया. सो 50 plus 5 is 55. दिस इज द ब्रेकअप. ये ब्रेकअप होता है. दिस इज द नंबर एंड दिस नंबर यू हैव टू ब्रेकअप. इफ आई आस्क यू टू ब्रेकअप यू विल ब्रेक इट लाइक दिस. आप ऐसे ब्रेकअप करेंगे इसको टेंस और वंस में डिवाइड करके. ओके, सो आई विल से अ नंबर, गेस द ब्रेकअप. ओके, आई विल से इट, आई विल डू इट. ओके, सो द नंबर इज 64. 64. So 60 plus 4 is 64. Second number is 25. 20 plus 5 is 25. This is the breakup. What about 12? How will you do that? आप उसको कैसे करेंगे? Now, C for 64 and 25. The number names tells us the breakup. यहाँ पे तो 64 और 25 ने the number name is itself telling us the breakup. वो अपने आप ही हमें breakup बताया. 65 और 64 और 25. तो 20 plus 5 25, 60 plus 4 64. But what about 12? But 12 is different. So are 11 and 19. So 11 and 19 they are also same. उसमें भी आप थोड़ा confuse हो जाएंगे. So you try writing the breakup for these. अब इसको कैसे करेंगे? From 11 to 19. Now how you will break up? उसको कैसे करेंगे? As you can see in one place 2 is written, तो आप 2 as it is लिखेंगे. And 1 के पीछे जितनी digit है only 1 digit is there, so you will put 1 0. Okay. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 9 is 19 because it is in 10 place. 10 place है, 1 लिखा हुआ है और हम 10 कैसे लिखते हैं? 0 लगा के 1 0 10. So 11 how you will break up 11? 11 को कैसे करेंगे break up? 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1 11. Now 10 plus 7 7 और इसका ये 1 ले लेंगे. Because when you will plus 10 plus 0, 0 is nothing, 0 कुछ नहीं होता. So 10, so 7 plus 0, 7, and there is no other digit under 1. 1 के नीचे कोई भी digit नहीं है, so we will write the same number. So 10 plus 7, 17. Now we will see these numbers. Now you write these and also say them aloud. आपको इनको लिखना है और तेज से बोलना है. Now only one question I will do and rest of the question you will do it yourself. So 27 is equal to how you will break this? 27. So itself it is telling 27. 31, 30 it is written here, you will write 1. 54. This is 99. So 99 you will write it here like this, 99. When you will say these numbers you can write yourself only. अगर आप जब बोलेंगे तो आपको खुद पता चल जाएगा. Okay. 63, 36, 30 plus 6, 82, 8 and 2, 82.